welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how you can install the solar lights. You can bring the outlook of your front yard. This is how the front lawn looks. And if you look at, I installed the 3 solar lights on this side and 3 lights on this side. And if you look at right now, they are very easy to do it. Like these are, I installed it, and these 4 I assembled it. So if we look at right now that they come in bags like this, and in a box we have these sticks which you just put it in. It's very simple, and then you hold with one hand and then you twist it. Once you twist it, it opens. This one is the factory default. They put the paper inside, so it isolates the battery. Pull it. If I'm going to put it here, see, it lights up. It's a bright day, and it's going to be, as soon as it's going to be a little dark, it will light up itself. So if we look at right now, if I put my palm, you can see it inside. So that's easy to assemble it. I have one more to go. I already assembled 5 on this second box. This is the last one. Same procedure. Put it inside and twist it, and that's it. Then twist this one, opens up. Then on this one, you just pull it. And then you lock it in. And once we lock it in order to put it in the ground, you pull this one out. And this one has a spike. The way it's gonna be, I will share with you. I installed one, and now this is the second one. This is the way it works. We hold it, and then right here, you just make sure that you put the bark inside, and then in the dirt, we're going to press it. So once we press it, then we'll put top of this, and that's for the second one. That's one more here on this side. So I'm going to do one more. So that's gonna to be 3 on this side. The dirt is a little bit strong, so I'm just going to get a hammer. I'm going to make sure that it goes down all the way. Put it down. So now we got 3 on this side. At night time, when it's going to glow, it's going to look beautiful. I'm going to show you at the night time how they really glow. And now I'm going to put 3 on this side. They're going to look really nice. I have trimmed today my roses, and it's looking beautiful. This is the night time, and look at how beautiful the light looks. These are the solar lights at night time. I really like the circles underneath the lights. They're looking beautiful. Very nice. So it's really dark. It's a midnight. I just wanted to make a movie so you can see it, how beautiful they're looking. I have my porch light on, and these solar lights, they're looking really nice. So I just wanted to share with you how it's easy and simple to do DIY yourself. You bring the outlook of your house or your front yard, and also it feels good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.